Cody, what are you doing? What's up, dude? That kid left you. He ain't even give you no hug. I don't have nothing for you. Here he comes. He ain't gave you no hug. Gave him a hug now. He said, I'm gonna keep you. He said, I'm gonna get you. Look, he's trying to go. He's gonna get you, squirrel. You better go. He's gonna get you. I can't save you. You better go. He's about to get you, dude. Hey, bro. Hurry. Babe, help us.
Not time to play.
Hey, you gotta see this video. It's Milkman's fault. Oh, he's pooping. Hey, he very happy. You made him poop, bruh.